Okay, problem number one, as I mentioned at the whiteboard when I was doing this problem, that I wasn't going to do the computations, but I would tell you how I do the computations using an application. And I'm going to use Sage here, but you're free to use what you want to use. So one thing I do is I'm just going to clear the screen. I have Sage running. I'm going to define, well, before I do that, I want to reset. That kind of clears out the machine for me. I'm going to define a variable, and that variable is going to be x. I'm going to define a function now, and that function is going to be assigned x squared minus 18. Then what I'm going to do is find a new function, g. Actually, I'm going to call it n for Newton. N of x is equal to x minus f, whoops, sorry about it, I didn't put minus sign there, minus f of x. And we're going to divide it by the derivative of f with respect to x. All right? So what am I going to do now is make my initial guess. And I think what we did was we said x equals 4 point something. Now I'm going to say, looking at my notes, it's 4.0. That's pretty simple. That's a good approximation to start with. All right? So what I'm going to do now is run Newton's method on it. And I'm going to do that. And I'm going to say the next guess I'm going to do is I'm going to run Newton's method to get that guess. And I want to display it. So I'm going to use this notation to display the x now. And by the way, it should be in line with what we did at the whiteboard. It should be this number over here. Now, what I want to do is I want to do it again, and it's going to change. And I get this number over here. I'm going to do it again. You notice the number's changing each time. Now, someone's going to say, I wonder if I keep doing this, which is almost painless to do because the computer's doing it for me. Will it always change, or does it sometimes narrow down to a number? Let's see what happens. It just changed there. Let me do it again. And right now, it appears that it did not change. Now, you can keep doing this for the rest of your life, and it's not going to change. Now, we found the root within the precision of our computer. That's about it. Thank you.